praise you for all you've done. I'll praise you for all. Wow, I don't believe that AI can create music like this. Let me show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is to go to this app called Suno. So you just, click on this Suno app and then you go to this create. All right. So click on this create. And then once you get to this create, you can either give it a prompt to create your own video, all right, or you can record your own music. For example, you can record anything actually, and then it's going to turn it to a music for you. Now, I'm just going to record something on my head, and then I'll tell you to turn it to a music. Let's go. So you agree to the terms, and then let's click on it again. Okay, trying to get access to my microphone. I will praise you for everything you've done. Aww. I will praise you for everything you've done. I will praise you for everything you've done. For you are my God. For you are my God. All right, now that might not sound really, really good to you, all right, but in this AI, we're going to see how it's going to sound. It's even going to put a beat for it, to it, and it's going to make it more powerful. So you can just type the lyrics here. It says, I'll praise you. So if you're not sure of what you just sang, you can play it again just to hear what it is. I will praise you for everything you've done. I'll praise you for all of it. I will praise you for everything you've done. Okay, so what is happening is that I'm going to delete this and then I'll record it again. I wanted to say, I'll praise you for all that you've done. So I'll let me just write the lyrics there. Actually, that song just came to my heart right now. I will praise you for all you have done. I'll praise you for all you have done. For you are my God. For you are my God. That's what we're going to say. For you are. So I'm just going to copy this. I'll delete this and then I'll record again. All right. Let's go. I will praise you for every. Oh, God. Sorry, guys. You see, that's why it's not easy to be a musician. So I'm just going to do it again. I will praise you for all you have done. I will praise you for all you have done. For you are my God. For you are my God. All right, so let's play that and see what we have. So I'm just going to put the lyrics here. I will praise you for all you've done. I'll praise you for all you've done. For you are my God. For you are my God. So you see where we have styles. Just add whatever you wanted to add in your music. So for instance, I say drums, then you see male vocalist is very important because sometimes the AI just creates something at random. So if you want it to be female, add it. If you want it to be male, make sure you specify it. And I'm just going to say backup choir, piano, trumpet, sax. All right. So if you want, you could even add maybe talking drum or anything you want to add there. So once you're done, then you can give it a title. That is optional, but I'm going to put it a title there. So I'll just say I'll praise him and then I'll click on create. Now watch the magic happen. So you see, your groove is on its way. All right. Now, one thing about this is that it's going to create a short music for you. Like it's not going to be long. So one of the things you can do is you can take the lyrics of that song, you take it to ChatGPT, and you tell ChatGPT to create what is it called? To create verses for you, and then you paste it there, and then it's gonna extend it. So I'm just gonna go to ChatGPT right now and do that. So I just give ChatGPT a simple prompt: create verses for this song. So while ChatGPT is creating that, let's go back to our music and listen to what it gave us. So the one that we're going to listen to right now is the one without the verses. So I'm just going to click on play here. I'll praise you for all you've done. Wow. I'll praise you for all you've done. For you are my God. For you are my God. Wow. Is that all? Okay, let me play it again. It seems like that's okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click on back. So if you come here, you see the music. You see it's just 19 seconds. All right. This one, the other one is 18 seconds. So it creates two. All right. So let's listen to the second one. This is the first one we're listening to. Let's listen to the second one. I'll praise you for all you've done. This sounds like my voice a little bit. So let's play it. I'll praise you for all you've done. For you are my God. Wow. For you are my God. This is interesting, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to copy all of these verses. So I will say, so it just creates the verse for it here. So I wanted to also, to put it like chorus, verse. So I will say, put each verse after chorus. So each chorus has a verse, right? So let's see what we're going to get with that. All right, so ChatGPT just created that. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy all of this. And then we're going to go back to here. Now you can extend what you've already created if you have the pro version. I think just click on remix and extend, but it's going to remix it. So instead of that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to record it again. So I will say, I will praise you for all you have done. I will praise you for all you have done. For you are my God. For you are my God. All right, so I'm just going to put it here again. So I put the lyrics there. And then I will say, so I'm just going to make this simple, all right? So I will say, the style should be male lead, drums, piano, sax, backup choir in part. That is, I think it's called harmony or something like that. So I will say, I will praise you. Right? So once you're done with that, all right, make sure that this is showing. So you can see that it's still showing at the moment. So I'll click on create. Now, if you want this to just be instrumental, just click on this and toggle button and it will change to just instrumental, all right? But I just want it to be a full song. So I'll click on it and create it. So your groove is on the way again. Wow. So the song is created. So let's click on it and listen. Now you can just, instead of that, you can, come back here and listen from this place. All right. So I would listen to this one. Let's see how this one sounds. I'll praise you for all you've done. I'll praise you for all you've done. For you are my God. For you are my God. You found me when I. So you can see that even though it started with a choir, it has, the male lead. So let's listen to this one again. I'll praise you for all you've done. This is beautiful. I'll praise you for all you have done. I'll praise you for all you've done. Now, this is magical. You just created something out of the blues and then the AI created everything for you. Now, tell me, what do you think? Are you going to create your own music with AI? Are you going to try Suno, or is there any other app or software that you know of that you can use to create music? Let us know in the comments section. But I love this and I love it so much, and I thought that I should share with you. I've created a video about this before, but I thought that okay, it's right now I should create another video. Now like this video so that all the people can see it. Subscribe and turn up notification so that anytime I post videos like this, you'll be the first to know about it.